All right, so week 2 of our BZ2-7 rebuild. As you can see, here's some hard work. We've got the machine surface looking really good. We've been able to remove a lot of the rust from the actual face of the machine. We've removed some of the drives and the plates as well on the other side, on the back side of the machine, and cleaned those up as well. We've removed the press tool and worked through some of the electronics, and kind of underneath the machine, we're getting ready to install our hydraulic pump as well. So yeah, this is after a week of rebuilds. It doesn't look like a lot's happened, but believe me, a lot has happened. And just to kind of give you a heads up, so again, this machine's 1993. That machine right there is in 1994. And same thing, we repurposed this machine. So this is what it's going to look like by the time we're done when it comes to the quality of the finish of the actual machine. So yeah, so that's what to expect at the end of the day. So again, this is a week so far into the process and really making some headway.